JC Transport is set up to haul scrap metal, and we run a flatbed division and we run a dry van division. So our job is to service the local scrap yards, transporting their material into Nucor, and the flatbed division runs around and supports a coast-to-coast type operation for all kinds of different materials, whether it's metal or wood or anything that needs transported via flatbed. So the dry van division is literally put us in all the lower 48 states. We decided that our slogan was going to be #JCT on the move. So what that means to us as a work family here is everybody's involved. Everybody's excited about what we're doing. We show up as professionals. We show up on time. Everybody is encouraged to speak up and to do their part to help keep JCT on the move.
We do handpick our drivers. We do handpick our employees here. We're not just posting ads out there to get anybody off the street. We want the A-team, and that's what I like to call us, is the A-team.
So when we decided to get into the dry van business, we went and started visiting around all the local trucking companies in town. But we ended up driving over to Peterbilt, and we walked through the door. So I sit down with Harold, and we shake his hand, and he sits down, and we started having a discussion about our plans and what we're doing, and he took us serious from the very first handshake. But now that we've been in the game for a couple years with Dobbs Peterbilt, I see the value. Our core values are in line with the way I run my business and the way the Dobbs runs their business. And I just see it as a very long-term strategic relationship between the two of us. I have 8 more trucks ordered, and I have another 10 trucks ordered for the 579 Ultra Loft. So we're very excited. We're going out with the old and in with the new.
We're all about Dobbs value and JCT on the move.
We are all about Dobbs value and JCT on the move.
JCT!